What is life really saying right now? It's a lot. I was pregnant in last year, 2020. July came and I had my beautiful baby boy. I had the home birth that I fought for and so grateful that I was able to have. It was beautiful. I have the footage, but I feel like I'm gonna share it a bit later on. So then after July, I was just so busy falling in love with my beautiful baby. All my days, motherhood has been incredible. I have been in love with making him laugh, making him giggle. It's my favorite thing to do. Spend time with him.
Did you find me?
I was a baby that cackled and cackled, so I was very excited to have a baby that was just as giggly as I was. But what I didn't tell everyone was that while I was doing that, I was writing my brand new cookbook. It has been crazy. This is the beautiful food I have been cooking and making and recipe testing and getting ready to share with all of you guys in my brand new cookbook coming out this August. Rachel Ammer's One Pot, 3 Ways. The food is incredible. I wanted to create a book that made going vegan easier for everybody. When I first went, I got so many questions about how do you maintain veganism, how do you keep doing it, and I kept explaining that I kind of had to relearn how to cook. I was used to having a big main meat or fish piece of food and then using that to make all my meals with like the sides of vegetables and potatoes, whereas now my vegetables and potatoes are suddenly like the main piece of food that I'm eating. So I had to make my main bit that used to be meat a vegetable one, but super tasty and could last the next couple of days, because let's be real, sometimes life is so busy we just need that leftover pot. So that's why I came up with this cookbook and I'm so excited. It's one big pot of delicious food and I'm just going to show you how to roll that out over the next couple of days in delicious ways. It's kind of like batch cooking, just way tastier, way more flavoursome and delicious. Obviously with my taste buds and my flavour palette, which draws on my Caribbean roots and my African roots, and just growing up in London with all these different flavours and cultures and cuisines. So that is my new cookbook coming out this August. All new delicious recipes just to make veganism easier for you busy people and to help you guys enjoy it. Yes, Prince. Busy baby. Reading your books. So this is the final day of my shoot. Do-rag on because it is raining because we're in London. Baby's back there. Final day of driving all the way to Stockwell from North London every day. And I'm very excited to finish this stage of the book. It's all becoming more real, which means it's all becoming more scary, which means all my hard work. Oh, look at him watching. Cheeky. It's such a good book and I just hope it has a big impact and really helps people, and the recipes are so buff and I'm so excited for people just to eat this food and find it easy. And hi baby, hello. I need to get you out of the car and walk you to the studio. Hi baby. I love him so much, guys. It's just insane. Another day, last day in South. Although South London is part of my bloodline, I really feel that way. I used to want to move to South, then I had a baby, and now I kind of just want to relocate. I don't know if London is... I'm waffling because I can't bother to get out of the car, okay? There's tea. Oh, she's busy. I'm distracting her. All the recipes that have been shot today. Lovely jubbly. Now back in North, back in Ends, have officially finished the photography. Are you awake? Baby's awake. I'm sitting in the car because I do this before I had a baby and when I had a baby when I get home. Sometimes I just sit here. He's laughing at me now. Is it funny, baby? Because I'm talking to myself. I'm exhausted and excited and sad that I've actually finished this part of my book. I'm hungry and tired. Tomorrow I'm not doing anything but taking care of baby. We're just going to be at home practicing his crawling. Yeah. Hello, Baba. Did you have a nice little sleep? Did ya? And then I've got next week is when I can add my final edits on all the copy of the entire book, and then it will be revealed, it will be in people's hands in August. Ask mum, but she gonna leave me.
Yeah, you and
Why are you so sad? I don't know. I'll let you all you. But I gotta make it.
This is the last day doing my book edits, this batch of edits. So I've got them in front of me here. So I'm going through that and I have baby on my lap. Hello. And this is the reality. I've got my laptop in front of me and I've got my book that I'm reading to edit because it's so much easier than doing it on a laptop all the time. Making my edits, and I'm going to keep these because it's part of the process, which is cute. So it is March, the end of March, coming to the end of the book. I have 2 days to read through all of this, make it make sense. And then it goes to a copy editor, so someone else is going to run their eyes over it and make sure that I haven't got any grammatical errors, just any mistakes that I might not see. Then they flag those with me and then I read over it and go through it. Then it's handed in and then it's up to the universe and you guys to enjoy the book. I've got it all laid out in front of me. I also have to pick the cover. By the time this is out, we'll know the cover, but I'm going to show you guys the options. We got this one, we got this one, and we got this one. I think this one is my favorite, but I don't know what will happen. This is the book that I need to read everything, make changes. So I've been writing this since I stopped when he was born for like 2 months. He was so colicky and he just didn't really sleep well at all, still doesn't, but so I had 2 months, 6 weeks of not doing my book, and then it was straight to my book again. So it's kind of emotional come to the end because it's also my motherhood journey. Okay, I've just opened an email from my publishers. The sales team had a meeting. We went over the cover. They went over the covers. They picked their favorite, which was also my favorite, which is really great. Wow, this is all becoming real. I'm literally sitting here just reading through it and making changes. Oh my goodness. This is where it starts getting to the different level of like anxiety of wanting your book to do really well now that you've put in all the work. So excited that I can finally share this, what I've been working on, what I've been working so hard on, and I just hope you are all as excited as I am about my brand new cookbook. I'm gonna leave the pre-order link in the description below, so check it out if you want to check out my brand new cookbook. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. If you're excited for me, and we're just every thumbs up really helps. And my G's, my real G's, my OGs, all of you lot, please, if you have made it to the end of this video, please leave like a book emoji because I want to chat to you lot, I want to talk to you, I miss you guys. Get in the comments. It is great to be back, I have to say. I bloody missed it. Oh yeah.